Hello, it's me, Lisa. Long time no see. If you are new to this channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Like I said, my name is Lisa and I'm the maker and owner of Clay Jewelry. I will link all of my stuff down below if you want to check me out or purchase some things and support my small business. But on this channel, I post helpful tips, tricks, and tutorials all revolving around polymer clay and small business. If that's something that interests you, then definitely hit that subscribe button down below. It has been a very long time since I have posted. This video really is just gonna be kind of an update. As you see in the title, of Clay is no more. She's gone. Bye. We're not doing her anymore in 2023. We are gonna talk all about that. I'm gonna update you on what I've been doing and what you can look forward to coming from me in the upcoming year. If you don't like chit chat videos, if you don't care about life updates, if you don't care about Clay anymore, see ya. You can click out of this video. It's gonna be a more chill, chatty video with no advice for you. So if you wanna just hang out, have a little girl time, grab a snack, grab something to drink and relax. Let's get into it. So life update. What have I been doing? What has been happening? Why have I not been posting? My lack of posting has not been at all because I didn't want to be posting on YouTube. I've actually missed it so much. Hence why I'm back. But life has been so crazy. And honestly, I don't really know how much to divulge you guys in. Just normally in my day-to-day, I'm not a big oversharer. I kind of just focus on myself and truck through whatever I'm going through. It feels uncomfy to talk about my personal life, but I should address it a little. Ultimately, this past year, or like since I posted last, has been challenging. And even before that, like the pandemic was hard as well. Even though I was posting more regularly on YouTube throughout the pandemic, that was because I was having a hard time in my business also. Everything was closed, big groups couldn't gather. I was just kind of pivoting and doing what I could and what I knew how to do and trying to keep my business afloat, if you will. YouTube really took off for me during the pandemic, which was such a huge blessing and was just amazing. Okay, pandemic kind of ends and real life happens again. So I can run my own business full-time in real life. So YouTube kind of took a back burner. Oh. Anyways, so post-pandemic, I just kind of threw myself back into my business and less on the like teaching side, more on the creating side and sales side. Additionally, I felt like I didn't have the equipment to make the quality of videos that I wanted to make. I had and still have a very old MacBook Air that I was editing on. As I was trying to improve my video quality and my sound quality and my editing, my computer just couldn't handle it. I had to kind of slow down, work more, and wait till I had better resources. There was a lot going on. That's all I have to say. Again, I don't know how much to divulge. And then once I had my footing again in the real world where I could incorporate video, I had a huge life transition. This is definitely on a more personal note, and this is the part that I feel most uncomfy sharing. But my relationship that I was in of 8.5 years, we were engaged, living together, ended. So I'm obviously in a new place. I had to move. I had to move back in with my parents, and then I had to look for another place. They live in a different city than Portland, so it was just really hard. Just trying to balance it all while going through a lot. And then once I finally found this place, getting settled in, getting my office set up, it just all takes time. I figured I would just kind of focus on slowing down, focusing on me, and I'm now at a point where I feel like I have a very good schedule. All the things that I need as far as my business goes is set up, and new year, new goals, pushing forward. I feel very confident in moving forward with YouTube because it is something that I truly missed basically I'm back. And I feel really good. As hard as, gosh, the past few years, and I'm sure it's been hard for everyone. I don't want it to be like a oh woe is me story. I know we all have gone through a lot. I'm very excited about this new chapter and this new beginning. That's where I'm coming from. That's where I've been. Here's where I'm at. And let's talk about everything happening moving forward. Like the title says, Of Clay is no more. Kind of. I maybe clickbaited you guys, but you know, you gotta hook them in. I learned that from TikTok. You gotta have a captivating hook. I'm not trying to trick you guys, but ultimately, I have put so much thought into this. Honestly, even when I first started doing YouTube, I was trying to sort out how I move away from Of Clay to create what I really want. Of Clay jewelry is not going to be a YouTube platform anymore. As you can see, the name is different down below. I'm going to keep Of Clay just as my platform for the jewelry that I make. Just think of that as its own small business retail space. All of the helpful tips, business advice, coaching, small business opportunities are going to be under a new entity that I am very excited to share with you guys. Some of you may already know about it because I did a little bit of a soft launch over the holiday season. The new business is, drumroll, is called The Slow House. I am so excited. I am so excited about The Slow House because it is my dream job. I'm very excited. Did I say that already? Did I say I'm excited? I don't think I said I'm excited. Did you know that I'm excited? So I want to let you guys know what the Slow House is. You are still going to get all the great, helpful, informative resources from me on YouTube. It will just be under the Slow House now. I highly, highly encourage you to follow the Slow House Instagram. I will link it down below, and go to the Slow House website, slowhouse.com. What I'm doing with the Slow House is being a holistic small business support system is how you could look at it. You know, my goal is to help inspire, educate, and elevate new creatives like yourself, where we will talk all about helpful small business tips and tricks, as well as learning new skills. I will be teaching a variety of DIYs in different mediums and focuses. So it's not just polymer clay. If you are interested in prints, art, ceramics, floral arrangements, card making, sticker making, coffee roasting, literally anything you can think of, I have exciting stuff coming up. You're not going to hear just from me, which is what I am most excited about. I am going to bring you my personal curation of small business owners that I adore, that I'm inspired by, and know have so much value to share. So you will get all of that in a nice little free package on this YouTube channel, but I'm also going to have more opportunities where I will be hosting workshops with creatives, as well as hosting markets. I want to create opportunities for you to be successful. So not only can you learn a lot of valuable stuff on this YouTube channel, check out people's art in real life, or learn hands-on experience from people that are really inspiring, but you can also participate. Once you start your business and hone in your skills, or if you know small business owners that you think are interested in teaching or need a sales platform to be on, I will be providing opportunities for that. So again, that's why it's so important for you to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because I will post those opportunities as they arrive, as the applications roll out. There's so much that is going to be in this little package of the Slow House, but it all comes down to what really, really matters to me is creating accessible paths to success for people who want a creative life, where they want to run their own business, be in love with the work that they do, but the path that they need to go down isn't one that there is a school for. It's more life experience and mentorship and coaching and community. And I also feel like as humans, that's kind of what we're meant to do. We're meant to push ourselves in push our creativity and connect. I really, really want to foster that. I hope that you follow along in this journey and that I get to see you grow and blossom and attain the things that you want to reach in this life. So without further ado, I will show you the new intro of the Slow House. Video where I will be talking about how to get your business kind of set up for this next year, setting your intentions, your vision board, your schedule, all sorts of stuff. I hope that this chit chat was okay for you, not too boring, not too dry. And I so appreciate you watching and supporting me through my ups and downs, ins and outs, and transitions. This is a transition that I am very excited about. Thank you. It means so much. Little baby version of me would be so happy and so excited and so proud. I truly couldn't do it without the support from you guys. I'm really looking forward to this next year, and I hope you are too. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay. Hello, my name is Lisa. How do I do this again? I forgot. Hey everyone, how is it going? My name is Lisa. Oh my god, I'm so annoying.